Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete posts that you've made on Instagram from a desktop computer, Chromebook, or even a MacBook. If you're following this tutorial, I recommend using the Chrome browser because everything I go over will be specific to the Chrome browser. So as you can see right here, I'm on the Gauging Gadgets Instagram profile page, and if I click one of my posts, and I go up here and I open up the menu for that post, I have no option to actually delete this post. So in this tutorial, we'll be going over a quick workaround of how you can do this. Let's go on and get started. The first thing you need to do is go to Instagram.com, log in, and then go to your profile page. Once you're there, in the top right corner of Chrome, select the three little dots to open up the menu. And then in the menu, we're going to go down to More Tools, select that, and then we're going to select Developer Tools. So once the Developer Tools open, what we want to do is just select this little button right here that looks like a phone in front of a tablet. When you hover over it, it should say Toggle Device Toolbar. Select that. Once you've hit that button, you should have a new drop down right here. What you want to do is select any of the phones that you want to. I'm going to select the iPhone X. So what Chrome is doing right here is it's telling Instagram, hey, I'm on an iPhone X or whatever phone you select. Once you've selected a phone, go ahead and refresh the browser. Once you've refreshed, all you need to do is simply select one of your posts. And then if I select the three dots again, I can see that there is a new option to delete the post. So if I select delete, it'll ask me one more time, hey, are you sure you want to delete this? And if I select delete, when we go back to my Instagram profile, you can see that that post is no longer there, so it's deleted it. So that's how you delete Instagram posts from a desktop computer, Chromebook, or MacBook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.